Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. If you are new, today I'm going to talk about how much one GTX 1070 help you to earn on Nicehash. Before I show you guys the results, I just want to show you guys my mining rig. I just upgrade from a pod rack to a storage rack. It's 1, 2, 3, actually 4 tiers. So in the bottom I have my EVGA 1000 watts, the power supply unit, and the motherboard right here. I have 2 cards on the motherboard, and the other 2 are just hanging on the rack. And also I have a table fan, so directly below on the 2 card, since the temperature is kind of hotter right here. And my window just right here, I can just keep my window open and keep all the temperature low. So that's my new manual rig. Alright, so this is just one GTX 1070 running on my computer. As you guys can see, I only have one GPU here, and this is how much I got paid through Nicehash. It's $4.45 per day. So that's 0.00039 Bitcoins per day. Right now it's mining EcoHash. So the total have 1070 GTX 1070, and let me show you guys how much total I got. So through the payout, I supposed to get around $20.28 per day. So that's $600 per month based on the price, $11,549 per Bitcoin. So if the price goes up, of course I'm gonna get more per month. So roughly a year I'm going to get $7,200 from my 5 GTX 1070 card. That's all my miners right there. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions, leave a comment. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.